Can you give us sort of the top-level view of what Node.js is and what it's trying to accomplish?
Right. So that was my point with the article that I wrote, where I should give enough context, because when I started because like a friend was telling me that Node.js is great, it's the best thing on earth, and what have you. So when I asked him, like, give me some valid points, everything was very broad, right? So the default thing that people tell you is like you have like a very big database of libraries, like with npm. It handles way more connection and faster than the average language, and so those points were never like the selling point because they didn't explain anything, right? So basically, Node.js is like it's the server itself, and they have built-in sockets which allow you to use libraries that will parse the data that goes through those sockets. So you can use the HTTP library, and so you can actually get the request parsed for you, and you can then make action based on the data that you're getting, right? So display the contact page, display the home page. This is a PostgreSQL request. This is a update request, what have you, right? And so the thing, like when I talk with other people, they will ask me like, okay, how do you put the server up? So Node.js is the server itself, right? And then JavaScript is just the language that they choose to use to write the code, right? And since they're using V8 to compile the code, you can also you should also stop to think about JavaScript as a scripting language, because it's being compiled before it's been run, right? And that's why it gives it this stateful nature of the environment where you have access to the RAM in the system itself.
Okay, so it's basically, is it only used for web things?
So no, that's another confusing thing. You can write desktop apps for Mac and Windows and Linux. You can write mobile apps, iOS and Android. You can use it to write command line apps. So yeah, but I guess like start with the web development first and then try to figure everything else out.